Hello everyone, welcome you back in this physics video. In today's video we are going to learn about some of the terms regarding to the physics. So over here point object, what is meant by point object? So point object का मतलब हो गया that anything which is going to be very small as compared to the distance which it is going to cover. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया that size is small as compared to this distance covered. Okay, so therefore this is said to be as point object. Now over here let us suppose this one, and there I'm supposing here it is this A station. Okay, this is A station and a train or a bus is standing at this station. This is the bus which is standing at this A station or bus stop. Okay, so it is the bus because we are supposing over here this is bus stop. Okay, now if this bus starts from here and it reaches to this B station. Okay, here it is the B station and the distance of this B is of 300 kilometer. Let me suppose this one. Okay, so here you will find that the distance which the bus is going to cover, it is much more bigger than that of a bus. Okay, so therefore on this track how this bus will appear, so this bus will look like a point object. Okay, now similar over there that as we have studied the motion of this earth, okay, so for the study of motion of earth, this earth is also considered as a point object. Okay, so point object because here we have the sun and the earth that it is going to revolve around this sun in this elliptical path. Okay, this is the path in which this will revolve. Okay, so over there that the path which this earth is going to cover around the sun, so it is going to be very bigger as compared to the own size of the earth. Okay, so thus we can say over here this earth, it is going to behave as this point object. Okay, similarly that we can say over here, as I have considered this is what, so as compared to the size of the paper, this thing it is appearing over here as point object because it's going to be very smaller in size. Okay, so thus we are having over here what is point object. So point object mean to say over there that the size is very small as compared to that distance which is covered by the body. So this is going to be point object. Okay, now over here as we are having the study of motion, okay, study of motion we are saying that, so in which branch of physics we are going to do the study of motion. So this is said to be the branch of physics in which we specially deals with the study of motion only. So this is said to be mechanics. Okay, but this mechanics, in it we are having the sub branches, that sub branches in one of the branch we are going to study about the body at rest. Okay, so it is going to be over there, this is statics. Okay, so over there that body at rest, or either it is said to be body at rest or equilibrium. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास जो बॉडी है वो एट रेस्ट या इक्विलिब्रियम में कब होती है? ठीक है, तो सिचुएशन क्या होगी जब उसके ऊपर एक्सटर्नल फील्ड जो अप्लाई की जा रही है उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा? जीरो होगा. ओके, सो इवन दो दैट लॉट्स ऑफ फोर्स इज गोइंग टू एक्ट, बट that is not going to change the position. So this is going to be statics, and it is the sub branch of mechanics. Okay, so here we study about these motions which is regarding to the bodies which are at rest, or even though in motion, constant motion, when there is large number of forces acting on it. And second sub branch over here, it is kinematics. Okay, so over here that kinematics. So over here kinematics, so it is going to deal with the motion. Okay, here especially we are going to discuss the motion, but without knowing the cause. What is the cause of motion? Without knowing cause. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे कि बॉडी के अंदर मोशन कहाँ से आया, कैसे आया. वी आर स्टडिंग ओवर हेयर ओनली सिंपली मोशन दैट अ बॉडी इज मूविंग. ठीक है, जैसे एक फुटबॉल है, तो फुटबॉल क्या कर रही है, मूव कर रही है, लेकिन फुटबॉल चली कैसे. ठीक है, तो ओवर देयर इट डजंट मीन ओवर हेयर. सो देयरफॉर this branch of physics in which we are going to deal with the study of this motion, what it is without knowing the cause, so it is going to be the kinematics, which is the sub branch of mechanics. And mechanics is going to deal with the study of specially motions, so all type of motion it is going to discuss over here. Okay, now the third that branch which is over here of mechanics, it is said to be dynamics. Third branch, sub branch of mechanics, it is dynamics. So dynamics that we are going to discuss in it, or we are going to study about the motion. Again we are going to study over here the motion, but this time we will also considering the cause with the cause. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास इसमें क्या किया जाता है, जो कॉज ऑफ मोशन है उसकी भी बात की जाती है कि व्हाट इज द कॉज दैट हैज मेड द बॉडी टू मूव. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास कॉज के साथ साथ जो मोशन है उसकी स्टडी डायनेमिक्स ब्रांच में होती है. ओके, सो दैट्स वी हैव ओवर हियर दैट इट इज द स्टडी ऑफ मोशन is done in the branch of physics which is named as mechanics. So mechanics has sub branches. In statics we are going to study that net force will be 0. It is not saying over here that there is no force acting. ठीक है, बहुत सारी फोर्स लग रही है लेकिन नेट फोर्स क्या होगा, 0. एंड द बॉडी इज गोइंग टू बी एट रेस्ट और इन इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन. एंड सेकंड ब्रांच इज सेइंग ओवर हियर दैट द बॉडी इज इन मोशन, बट we are not going to know about why and how it is in motion. And in third, that dynamics, we are going to look over there what is the cause that has made the body in motion. So this is the study in dynamics. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.